Unlock your future. Investing for beginners. Ever wonder what it would be like to have started investing years ago? The power of compounding is real, and it's time to harness it. Investing isn't just for the wealthy elite. It's a tool for everyone to build a secure financial future. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. Even small, consistent investments can yield significant returns over the long term. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back. Investing can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start with understanding the fundamental concepts like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Knowledge is power. Stocks represent ownership in a company. Bonds are essentially loans to a company or government. Mutual funds are baskets of stocks or bonds managed by professionals. Diversification is key to managing risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes. Many new investors are afraid of losing money. It's a valid concern, but remember that investing involves risk. However, the potential rewards outweigh the risks when approached strategically. Start small and gradually increase your investment amount as you become more comfortable. Don't let fear paralyze you. Take that first step. Remember that market fluctuations are normal. Don't panic sell during downturns. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Open a brokerage account. Many online brokers offer commission-free trading. Research different platforms and choose one that suits your needs. Consider starting with index funds or ETFs. These offer instant diversification at a low cost. They track a specific market index, like the S&P 500. Set up a regular investment schedule. Automate your contributions to ensure consistency. Even $50 or $100 a month can make a difference. Compounding is the magic of investing. It's earning returns on your returns. The longer your money is invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. Albert Einstein called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. It's a force that can transform your financial future. Start early and let compounding work its wonders. Imagine the possibilities. A small investment today could grow into a substantial nest egg over time. Don't underestimate the power of patience and consistency. Investing is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but the key is to stay focused on your long-term goals. You have the power to shape your financial future. Ready to take control of your financial future? Open a brokerage account today and start investing. Don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description to access our free guide on investing for beginners and begin your journey towards financial freedom. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips and strategies to help you grow your wealth. Your future self will thank you.